Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are fine and in a festive mood. In this auspicious occasion of Diwali, we all make rangoli with the help of colors. But today we are going to learn paper rangoli, which is very easy and very beautiful. So let's learn it. Children, the material required to make the paper rangolis are one paper plate of any kind. If you don't have paper plate, you can use cardboard also. Colored sheets, and the colors are yellow, red, orange, green, blue. Glue, scissor, googly eyes, quilling needle. If you don't have this, you can use toothpick also, pencil, and decorative items. I will be using these beads. You can also use the bindis or buttons, anything you have in your house. You can use these things also. So first of all, we will take one yellow sheet and cut a circle from the yellow sheet like this way. I've already done it. Now in second part, you have to make the leaves of red color like this, and you have to cut it out from the red color sheet. ये कैरी शेप है, आप इसको यहाँ पे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, और ये है लीव्स शेप. ओके, आपको इस तरह से 5 ये निकालें, 4 कैरी शेप and 1 leaf shape. So children, from blue sheet we have to make a more or peacock shape, and you have to cut it out. You can take the help of your parents also. Now we have to make these different kind of shapes from the different colors. ऑरेंज में से हमें इस कलर का पेटल शेप निकालना है, इससे थोड़ा बड़ा शेप निकालना है ग्रीन कलर का. सबसे बड़ा है ग्रीन, देन येलो, देन ऑरेंज, उसके बाद में हम ऊपर रेड रखेंगे, एंड देन वी विल पुट ब्लू. सो आप साइज उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही कट करिएगा, आप उसके हिसाब से निकाल सकते हैं इसके शेप्स. So we have to arrange these petals in this manner. So I'm going to show how I pasted it. सबसे नीचे हम लोग ग्रीन कलर का पेटल रखेंगे, यू शेप. देन उसके ऊपर हम लोग येलो को पेस्ट करेंगे. देन वी विल पेस्ट ऑरेंज वन, और जो एजेस हैं, लास्ट का जो मार्जिन है, वो एकदम इक्वल रहना चाहिए, एंड द गैप शुड बी इक्वल. देन आई एम गोइंग टू पेस्ट द रेड वन. ये मैंने एक कर्व शेप, पेटल शेप भी बनाया था, बट देन उसके बाद मैंने इसको कट कर दिया. Then on the top of the red one, I'm going to paste the blue paper in the middle of the leaf. So now we are going to arrange the cutouts, and first of all we have to place the yellow circle in the center of the plate, paper plate. Okay, now I'm going to paste it. After that, I have to arrange these red petals in this way. So we have to arrange these red petals in this way so that the peacock will be covered like this. You can see. Now I'm going to paste these petals and peacock in this way. So I have pasted all these cutouts. Now I'm going to paste these leaves. आप जितनी बड़ी प्लेट लेंगे उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपके ये कटआउट्स होंगे. ये छोटी प्लेट है इसलिए यहाँ पे 6 है. अगर आप बड़ी वाली प्लेट लेंगे तो यहाँ पे 8 और 9 भी लग सकते हैं. Now I'm going to adjust it. Now I'm going to paste the googly eyes of more peacock. And I've taken some strips of blue color. Now I'm going to use the quilling tool and make the curl like this, and going to paste it on the head of the peacock. So now our rangoli is ready. Now we have to decorate it according to you. Like I'm going to paste these beads. In this way you can decorate it and make your rangoli more beautiful. I'm using this white beads on the edge of the peacock. Like this. So I have decorated this rangoli. You can decorate with your own creativity in any manner you want to, and make this rangoli at your home and decorate your home with these rangoli, paper rangoli. These are detachable and you can put it anywhere you want to, and decorate your home. Happy Diwali to all. Be safe, play safe. Thank you.